from Derivative. They're the company that makes the software. And you'll correct me if I say anything horribly wrong about the software, I'm sure. Okay. Yeah, it's all perfect. It's great. So let me talk just briefly about the hardware, and then I'll give a short demo of the software, and then I'll run through a few scenes. So basically, I've got two CPUs here, and then I've got a MIDI patcher, a couple things here, scan converter, a couple of analog video to FireWire converter boxes here. And the way this is set up here is this is the main screen that I use, the computer screen. These are the monitor outs, and then those are all run through a high-def mixer here, so I can mix back and forth between two computers like that. Also, this mixer has a standard definition bus, so I can have multiple live cameras coming in, and I can switch on this bus, which then is feeding the computers here, and then I can map live video into the scenes. And I'll show you a little bit of that later as well. And these are actually 13-inch laptop screens with some LVDS converters that go into VGA. VGA actually to the screen, to the laptop screen.
This is a custom-built rig, right? I mean,
yeah, I built all this stuff. Basically, I did it because I was hauling computers and shitloads of monitors around. It took forever to set up, and so basically, when this breaks down, all the controllers here go in the case here, closes down. It still could use a lot of tweaking to get it even quicker and easier to set up, which would basically be a slightly larger case, having everything just mounted permanently in there, and then say like a cable block that goes into the side, so one block that comes from the CPUs just plugs into everything. So that's just time and money. But this serves well as a prototype of what it could be, I guess, and it's working fine here. We're doing gigs right now. And then, let's see, the other bit of hardware is this here, which is a custom box that takes audio and does an analysis in hardware of 8 frequency bands, and then turns that into MIDI triggers, and then that is run through the MIDI patcher into both computers. And I'll show you a little more detail on how that's set up in one of the scenes. And let's see, the other thing is this wireless video camera that I'll hand it around to look at if you want. It's got Luxion LEDs in the front there, and works pretty well. It works got a 200-foot range, something like that. Goes through walls. It's quite good with crowds and stuff.
Are those infrared illuminators on there too?
No. No, they're lights. They're
regular lights.
Yeah. Here.
is it live? Can you switch it on?
Turn it on. Here we go. So like that. So and then there's adjust the brightness. For really super dark areas, or it's sometimes good just to leave it on a little bit so
the size
see
of
it.
it.
Well,
So it's kind of steady.
and then
doesn't
turn it
matter.
up quite like that. So
Yeah, out underground.
So I'll show you how that works in the video as well.
It's on right now. I mean, it's sending a signal to that guy right there.
Let's see what else. I guess basics for the hardware.
That's just on.
Go ahead and turn the switch on the
Right down here.
lower left, not that one.
Oh, this one?
Lower left front.
Front.
Lower left front.
the other
Black
left.
switch at the bottom.
This one?
Nope.
Sure.
There's that.
Sorry, right. Sorry, lower left.
No, the other left. The
Didn't
one
really
that's
see
right.
last night. Okay. No, it should be on. There we go.
So the lights on.
There you go. Turn it in, check.
That must be this.
Yeah, right.
He's not holding it that stably, so that's not quite right.
I think my hand is too
What video is that?
Oh.
That's
I don't know why we're not seeing the lights.
They clearly can.
Yeah.
Are we doing this wrong?
Maybe.
It's too high tech for this crowd, man.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's like something out of contact.
There we go. All right. Get all the weird shit off. There we go.
Wow, and that's without the lights on, huh?
Yeah, it's
That's
actually
pretty good.
amazing the whole night.
Yeah, that's good, right? So,
Dark Club does surprisingly well with all the lights.
so it's a little
Or
bit
you
better
can
like
scare
this,
people.
but like that. So the lights don't make a huge difference. So it goes, like I said, long distances.
I've seen it.
Yep. And then just for fun, I've got trippy processing stuff built in, and stuff like that. So I had some music going, there was some outline stuff happening.
Do we use up all?
How do you process?
Oh, no. But they have another video there.
That's the cover.
Oh no, sorry. I just use up all the chairs.
No,
Sorry.
So now these outlines are really bouncing things. So anyway.
Is this reacting to the audio?
Yeah.
Okay.
The outlines are changing color in time with the audio. Audio trigger.
But with that. So over here, I'll actually run you through a quick demo of how Touch works. So it's a real-time generative program, meaning it does everything procedurally. All graphics and everything are rendered in real time. So all these scenes that I'll be showing you take up between 50 and 150K on disk. That's the whole file, with a couple of bitmap inputs for logos and that kind of stuff, and perhaps a 3D model. But other than those neurons, everything I'm using is actually generated procedurally in the program. So feel free to ask questions.
Is this software that you yourself wrote, or?
Oh, the whole thing, absolutely.
Damn.
No, this software actually a little history on it. So it's based around a visual effects package called Houdini, which is a long-time product. It's been around since the early 90s, late 80s, something like that.
Well, before that was Prism.
Prism's before that, right? Before that, it was. Where did Greg and Kim get it?